I'll be teaching a course today on AI for industrial automation, and really what we're trying to do is in plain and simple language explain how you can choose use cases for and design AI for manufacturing and logistics systems.
Our Georgia Artificial Intelligence in Manufacturing, or Georgia AIM, is excited to bring together partners such as Georgia AIM, ATDC, and A3 to teach about how great artificial intelligence is.
Our purpose here is to try to provide more information to industry on what AI is so that people can better apply AI to their industrial applications.
Through the Georgia AIM grant that ATDC is a part of from last year, promoting AI in the state of Georgia, we're really excited to have this event here today to talk about how AI and robotics has so much growth potential in the future and what's happening here in Georgia related to that.
We're really interested in talking about use cases, where this technology can be put to work today in your facilities and how it's making a real world difference. This isn't about hype and magic. This is about how the technology is really being put to use today.
One of the key purposes of this course is to make advanced AI more accessible to more professionals in industrial, manufacturing, logistics. I want to be able to enable and empower folks that are not currently part of the AI and tech ecosystem to be able to use AI to benefit their businesses.
We've all witnessed the massive birth of this text generation of AI over the past year as it relates to text generation, image generation, and the like. We're really excited to see what's coming next this year, I think, is this rebirth of AI in robotics and physical automation.
Today was sort of a preview of a much bigger conversation on AI, and A3 actually will be coming to Atlanta in November with a full 2-day event all about industrial AI.